Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is your man Rich Too Bad coming back today with another video. I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed, wonderful, and a prosperous, and are being safe wherever you are in the universe today. As you can see through the thumbnail, we're about to go ahead and install this rear diffuser on Betty White. So let's stay tuned. Let's get into it, guys. All right, guys. So we're kind of up under here. We got three of these. I'm sorry, we got four of these 7mm screws to get out right here, and a push tab. So if you have a pry tool remover, pop these out, and then take the 7mm ratchet wrench and pull these out right here, and this should come out. You may have to, of course, pull it from the top here between the bumper itself. So let me go ahead and do this process and see how this works out. Alright, guys, so I got the screws loose. Finally got them loose. Those pull tabs are a little tough to take out on the bottom, so I struggled a little bit with it. But now you want to go ahead and just take this off and just peel it all the way through until it comes off, and then that's that. But look how much rocks and stuff was was up under there before I take it loose. Man. It's amazing how much all this stuff gets caught up in there. Alright, guys, so this is what your finished product should look like. Like I said, this ain't gonna be a long video, man. This is real quick. Like I said, it's real simple. 4 7mm screws, pull tabs, push tabs, pull them out, and then just start on the end and pull it out, and wash, rinse, and repeat the cycle installing the new. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe to the channel. Keep God first. Stay prayed up, stay blessed up to the next video, guys. I'm out.
What you're giving, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to